Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to make Snapchat private account. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to your Snapchat account. So okay, click the Snapchat. In Snapchat, click the profile picture on the upper left side on your screen. Click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Scroll down and find the additional services. So okay, to private account your Snapchat, so okay, all you have to do is click the See Me in Quick Add. So okay, after you click this, so you all have to do is turn off the Show Me in Quick Add. Your friend will not show you in your friend list or username in your friend list. So okay, go back and view my story. So click the view my story. So set the view my story on friend only. Okay, go back again and see my location. Click the see my location. So okay guys, and see my location. So enable the ghost mode. So okay, if you are enable the ghost mode, your friend are not see you in your location or not see your location. So okay, enable the ghost mode. So set until turn off. So okay, another one is the contact me. So click the contact me. So set the contact me in my friend only. So okay. Okay guys, that's it, and if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.